In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Evernote notes into Notion. If you're moving your notes from Evernote into Notion, the process is pretty straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. Begin by opening your Notion workspace, either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, look over to the sidebar and open Settings or Settings and Members, depending on the version of Notion you see. This is where Notion keeps workspace level tools, including options for importing content from other platforms. After that, click the Import tab. In this area, you'll find different types of imports available in Notion. Scroll down until you reach the third-party imports section, and then select Evernote. This tells Notion that you want to bring in notes from your Evernote account rather than importing files manually. As soon as you choose Evernote, a pop-up window should appear asking you to connect your account. Go ahead and sign in to Evernote using your login details, then follow the prompts to authorize Notion to access your data. This authorization step is important because it allows Notion to read the notebooks and notes you want to transfer. Just make sure you complete the connection in the pop-up before returning to Notion. Once the accounts are connected, Notion will display a list of your Evernote notebooks. At this stage, you can choose exactly what you want to import by checking the boxes next to the notebooks you'd like to bring over. This is helpful if you only want to migrate certain categories of notes instead of your entire Evernote library. Next, choose where the imported content should go inside your Notion workspace. You might place it in a specific team space or in a private area, depending on how you organize your notes. Picking the right destination now can save you time later, especially if you want your imported notebooks to stay organized from the beginning. When everything looks right, click Import to start the migration. The import time will depend on how many notes and notebooks you're bringing in, so it may take a few minutes to finish. If you have a larger collection, give it some time and avoid interrupting the process. And that's it. Once the import is complete, your Evernote content should appear in the location you selected in Notion, ready for you to review and continue working with.